Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Dan, Derek, and Ian are going to review this.
Hats for cats.
Look, it's already started early. I start my introduction, and they're already having a conversation unrelated to anything.
We're going to drink some rum.
Yeah, so this is going to be reviewed. It'll fall in the middle of this month. It just happens to be the first thing we're doing, so if you're like, oh, you guys are so wasted. No, not even close. So about $33 or so, Callisto California Dry Botanical Rum. So, maybe it's got something in there that we should talk about. It's unlike any other spirit you tried. Hey, you read this earlier.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, somebody did. There's a QR code. It's got California Botanicals.
So is rum usually infused with botanicals?
No.
Gin usually is.
Yeah, that's it.
So, maybe if you like gin, and you like rum, and you like all of them?
Oh, it's not ginny.
No.
No, there's not juniper in there.
No.
But it
You can definitely...
It's
It's definitely flowery.
There's no juniper, so it doesn't have that gin flavor.
Yeah.
It has
Well, I
botanicals.
think that's not an issue. I don't know that juniper and rum would be very good.
No. Maybe.
Or somebody
but like they already made a product like that.
Yeah.
So what's considered a California botanical?
Botanicals from California, dude.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's like
What would you put in a botanical from California?
aspen
Floral
leaves
stuff?
and... I don't know. I don't think the drying has anything to do with it.
No, they don't. Herbs, seeds, roots.
Aspen leaves? Like, how do you know there's an aspen leaf?
That?
Oh, I have
Does
no
that look
idea.
like an aspen leaf?
Yeah, it's a secret list of botanicals. Unlike gin, they don't tell you. And I didn't go to their website because if I prep for a review...
But as long as that doesn't mean chemical, then we're okay. I'm guessing it's not chemicals if they're botanicals.
Look at
It
this.
is pretty flowery.
It is flowery. It's definitely got that... it's not as distracting flowery. What? Would you like to share where you scanned your QR code? Would I like to share it? No, just...
You can
Looks a
geotag
little
your
sweet.
scans now.
No, what? I said no
It's kind of
thanks.
sweet.
A little bit, yeah.
Oh, I
It
don't
doesn't
know.
burn too much.
No.
No, it's... so, here's the thing.
Trying to think of it in a drink.
Floral.
Yeah, it's exactly what I said. There's 0% sugar. Oh, yeah, that's good.
Yeah, just throw it in a daiquiri. And...
But you think in a daiquiri...
It's like rum reborn.
Rubble.
If I could read, I'd probably figure out that was on the label somewhere.
And they'll tell you.
But since I can't play your code.
So it smells like citrus. A little bit. It tastes like flowers. Can't call out any specific flavor. I know there doesn't seem to be any anise or
No.
coriander or any of the weird things you would get out of a gin. It's
Floral.
floral.
Definitely floral.
I'm still maybe a daiquiri, but I feel like it would be...
I think like just a straight up daiquiri, yeah.
You don't think it would be too much? I think it would be good. Like, you ever have like
I think the botanicals and stuff might be a little bit muted by the
maybe with all the
lime, the
sours.
citrus of the lime.
Or
they're enhanced.
if you made a tiki drink
Maybe
that
with
had
salt.
like another core rum, say Jamaican or maybe like a Smith and Cross, and then you had a little bit of that thrown in there. You know how sometimes they put the orchids and stuff on the top? Maybe this would help give you that flowery flavor. Tiki.
Does it taste like orchids?
It doesn't taste like... I've never eaten an orchid.
It definitely tastes
I know
like...
you can.
It tastes like flowers.
I think it would.
Yeah, it tastes like I think an orchid would taste.
It tastes like
Not as green.
flower. It's very flower, yeah.
It's just missing the
Very
stem.
floral.
It would be like just eating the flower, not the stem.
It's like reborn.
Yeah. For $33.
It's like you're walking on a dirt,
It's almost like a
dirt path.
cachaça flavor. Slightly.
But not as
Really?
aggressive.
Yeah, not as aggressive. It's like a
Yeah. That might just be because of the way the cachaça has that floral flavor to it.
yeah. Like if you took
This is smoother than that.
5 shots of rum to 1 shot of cachaça and mixed it up, maybe.
I can see
Oh, I
that.
thought you just meant take 5 shots of rum and then drink cachaça.
Challenge.
Yeah. Like, all right.
You're the one who doesn't have to.
I don't know.
drive,
It'd make like an interesting like mojito or something.
True.
Oh yeah.
Mojito. That would be
Yeah.
good.
There you go.
Like a mojito or...
Work with me?
We'll have to try it.
We
We'll
could
have to
try
it after.
mojitos with that. I got to get mint from my backyard and not get stung by bees, but I can do that.
At night, it's easier. That's when they're sleeping.
They all sleep.
Oh, I thought you were joking me because I couldn't step right through them and they would kill me. But you're right, they are sleeping.
You're
Good.
allergic? They'd kill you?
No, there's just a lot of them.
A Hemingway Daiquiri?
They're ground bees.
Hemingway Daiquiri,
got
it's got the
absinthe.
earthiness of the...
Yes, we had one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got that like earthy tone from the Luxardo in there.
That's
another one,
Doesn't
yeah.
that have absinthe though? I would think the
Hemingway Daiquiri is just Dorchester with rum.
Yeah.
Or Dorchester's really a Hemingway
I
Daiquiri.
just think about Hemingway and I think of absinthe for some reason.
Because of the frap and stuff. I think he did a frap. All right, there you go. Callisto Rum.
Give it a try.
Give it a try. $33.99 at Total.com.
A store near you.
It's a local store near you. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.